Welcome, everyone, to my AMA for December 21, so right around Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. You can see it's still snowing here in Michigan. Actually, we don't have too much snow here, but it is cold enough, although I think on Christmas Day it's supposed to be in the 40s here. How about with you? Where'd you? I know I saw you. Oh, Jerry, is it supposed to be in the 40s, right? Over on the other side of the state?
We're predicting 54 in Saginaw on Monday.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's going to be warm. Florida temperatures there.
Yep, nice.
Yep. So, welcome to my AMA. I have, oops, keynote overlay's not on. I have about 8 different questions, and then we can kind of open it up to open questions. I know somebody brought up, what's going on with the Apple Watch, and then I added some AI to the site. I can demonstrate how that works. I think that'll be pretty helpful for everyone. So, let's get going. Most of you know who I am. I see a new person there, Marty. So, Marty, I'm Dan Wasink. I create tutorials on the Mac, iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. And I also host these AMAs on I'd say regular basis, probably about 2 times a month.
Dan?
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been a member for like 2 years.
Oh, okay.
I've been
Never
in
mind then.
I've been in a couple of these.
Okay, sweet. All right, then we were going to skip right on by. So, all right, our first question is actually from Gary. Is this Gary here? And he's asking, how do I reset mail on? You're having some problems with your mail on your iPhone, correct?
Well, I think that was my question, but I misstated. What I'm having is messages rather than mail. It's showing up on my phone and not showing up on my Mac Mini.
Okay.
I'm the one that's new. Marty Gentris got a guy named Peter Penno and me and a few others interest, and then I came last month. But
Okay.
I think mail seems to be, and maybe I should say too, I'm running the beta on this Mac Mini, but not on my phone. And maybe
Okay.
that's part of
No,
the problem.
that's probably not what it is. I can probably fix this pretty quick. It's a pretty common issue. And basically what we need to do is it's all done through the iPhone. What we need to do, well, there's 2 things that we need to do. So with the iPhone, what you want to do is go into the Settings app here. Okay. And once you're in the Settings app, if you go up until you find Messages. And when you're looking at Messages, there's a few settings in here that we want to make sure that are on. And the first one here is iMessage. We need to make sure that that is on. Usually that is on, but just want to make sure that so now what that's going to do is sync all of your messages with iCloud. Then we have to do the same thing on the Mac, which I'll show you shortly. But before we do that, the other thing that people sometimes will miss is if we scroll up here, send as SMS, we want to make sure that that is on. And let me check my personal phone. There is a setting there that you used to have to say with your send to all of your different devices. So let me see here. Okay, shared with you. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to plug in my other iPhone here, because this iPhone here does not have a cellular plan, so that might be why it's not showing it. So what we're going to do is plug in my regular phone here. I'll just show you on the screen. There is a setting in here. You're going to see it says text message forwarding. That's what we want to have on, that text message forwarding. When you turn that on, and you want to forward it to all of your different devices. So what that will do is that will, when you get a text message on your phone, if someone sends it to your phone number, which is what most people do, your phone number then will go and forward it over to your Mac, over to your whatever other devices you have. So that's the big thing, is the text message forwarding. You want to make sure that that is on. Now, on the Mac, see if we can get this up and running here. Why isn't this going? I'm going to quit out of my app here a minute. Well, when I quit out of the app, I did get everything working, but I forgot to hit record again. So that's all I have. But this is a good teaser to show you how my AMAs work. You can get a little glimpse of how my AMAs work. I usually hold these every 2 or 3 times a month on Thursdays. If you want to check out more, check out my site, Dan's Tutorials. But I apologize for that. I hope everyone has happy holidays. Thanks.